This is another Branson beauty located in Huntsley Hills. Enjoy the golf course lifestyle in this two-story family delight. This home is approximately 2,095 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and offers an open floor plan with lots of space. Walk into a large dining area and enjoy the welcoming kitchen with granite countertops, a center island, a large pantry, and a sit-down for a meal at the bar area. The living room is made for comfort with a beautiful corner fireplace. The master suite is very large with windows, with a nice view, and the master bath is wonderful with a jacuzzi tub and a large master closet. Throughout the home, you'll enjoy hand-glazed, textured walls, crown molding, and spacious bedrooms. This home is made for your growing family, priced at $243,200. For more information on this home or on building your dream home, please call William Branson with Branson Homes at 806-354-9828.